You want to guess the color? Give it a one last shake. Hey everyone, hope everyone is having a good weekend and just enjoying being at home as much as you can. It gets kind of old. You go out to the store and the new norm is wearing a mask and gloves. It's a strange time, but I just thought I'd add that. There's plenty of work to do around the house this time of year. I got a list going like crazy, but keeping up with work on Misty that I've been putting off. So evaluating the gas tank on Rick the bus. So yeah, let's check it out and wait until you see what was inside. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the dicky-doo down below, of course. And yeah, we'll keep plugging away. Gas tank, I'm on the search for, I'm gonna put it in a concrete mixer. So that's the plan with that, so that I can break up all the insides. All right, take care, have fun and enjoy. Let's see, let's prop you over here. Watch me fight this. Isn't that special? You guys can see too. It's a cozy place over here. So now it's time to move and see what is inside this old gas tank. I know you're just dying to see what's in here. Let's bring it over to the little workstation I've created. So I pulled this out, definitely some gas inside. I know I don't have any kind of fancy microphone here, but I don't know if you can hear that. It sounds very gritty. A lot of sediment. So are you ready to see what's inside here? Because I'm dying to see. This gas tank has probably been sitting now at least for 25, 30 years with a couple gallons of gas in. Let's see what's in there. Just went to our local transfer station, or like we call it, the dump, and picked up a couple nice pans. And look at this, it even has a little spout. So it'll make transferring the gasoline into a safe container so I can bring it to the proper station. We also have another one. So there was two. All right, let's go. Take a whiff. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, doesn't that smell lovely? I kind of like the smell. Okay, let's see what we get. You want to get a little closer? I want you to. Alright, how's that? You want to guess the color? Give it a one last shake. Here it goes. I was not expecting that. Were you? Yeah. Pick it up a little higher here. Trying to get a little higher. There we go. How about a little bit different view? Oh boy, that smell is pretty ripe. Again, I don't mind that. Wow. See what I'm dealing with? All right, here we go. Oh yeah, there's some chunks. Lovely. That's probably all the old gasoline just crystallized inside, and then at some point we added more. It got worse. Let me get a little hammer and give it a little love tap. Got one right here. Some of this crap out of here. Guess I'll pour some more gas in there. Get it broken up a little more. Oh yeah, look at this. Yummy. I'm actually going to pour a little bit of this gas back in there. Try to break up some more of the crusty stuff. As my dad would say, stinka. Little grip. Kind of like a water slide. Oh, like sediment. Oh boy, this tank is pretty rough. I have a funnel right here. Why don't I use it? You guys are yelling at me. Just use the damn thing, right? Pour this back in. Wow. I'm gonna give this a little more shake. Wow. I mean, I knew it would be bad, but not quite that bad. Guys, looking at this. I'm gonna go again. get ready to pour this in a container, be recycled. Well, what do you guys think? You think this gas tank can be saved? There's no visible holes, but boy, oh boy, this is pretty bad. You see? Let's take a look. What are we dealing with here? I honestly think it's just varnish. It's not. It's just dried up gas. I don't even think this is mostly rust. I mean, it's just breaks apart and it turns into like a powder. You think it'll be saved? I guess we'll see, find out. Alright, so now we know what happens to gasoline after it sits for a long, long time. It's just varnish. It's like a powder. At first I was thinking, well, I don't know if this tank is going to be savable, but I'm just going to get rid of this, treat it like it's gas, and swash this around a little bit, beat it with a hammer on the back side, and yeah, got 80% of it out. We're going to continue on with this at a later date.